Hey, Mitch here, the Merchant Advance King. Guys, people don't understand how difficult it can be for small business owners, especially in this economy, to get the funding that they need to really tackle the challenges that you're facing. Whether it be payroll, if you have vendor payments that are past due, or you just need to buy some inventory, or shoot, even just expand and have a sale, getting the funding that you need, especially from banks, can be really, really tough. You know, in your first year of business, only 10% of businesses get outside funding. And let's face it, 3% of that 10 comes from their parents. I'd hardly qualify that as a success. And of course, the more funding you get from banks, guys, the more it's going to affect your credit and the more debt you're accumulating. Well, how can you get the money that you need? That's where we come in. Now, people ask me all the time, Mitch, I really don't have the greatest personal credit, and my business has almost no credit to speak of, or the credit's not that spectacular. Can we still get a loan? We've been told no by the banks. You know what, guys? Absolutely yes. Stone Funding is the partner that you've been looking for that's going to say yes. We believe in your business, and we know that you need this money to make it work, guys, and we're going to be able to give it to you on very simple repayment terms. Now, probably the most common question that I have is, Mitch, exactly how much money can Stone Funding give us? What do we qualify for, and are we qualified? Well, guys, it's a real simple formula. We're basically going to take a look at your gross credit card sales on any given average month, and we take a look at your gross average sales as well. And based on that formula, we're going to be able to give you at least, on average, your average monthly credit card sales, and sometimes 2-3 times that amount. Now, the money's not super cheap, but it's certainly not expensive. And if you need it right now, you're going to have it within 3 to 5 business days. 9 out of 10 people that call are approved. And we're talking about people that are calling in dire need of money, that have their business that they've been, for their entire lives, putting their heart and soul into, and we trust in you and your business. Guys, best of all, this is a totally debt-free way for you to get funding. This is not going to negatively impact your credit score, and best of all, it is absolutely, positively going to get you the money that you need now without some hard repayment penalties. Let's say that you have a slow month. If you get a loan from a bank, that same check is looming over your head just waiting to crush you and bring you down with the toilet. But guys, if you have a slow month, we're working with you for your success. Your payment goes down to us. Guys, the very best thing of this is you're not having to call grandma and grandpa and ask them for a loan. No badgering friends and family. No calling bank after bank, having them do another application fee and get turned down over and over. You are approved and you will have your money in 3 to 5 days, typically. Now, people are always asking me, hey, Mitch, are you going to be giving me a stack of paper that I'm going to have to fill out that's going to take hours and hours? Absolutely not. The application takes about 4 minutes, and that's if you really type slow. You can do it in pencil, but that might take you all of 6, including print time. And you know what, guys? You can call me a bookie, because we're basically taking a bet on your business's future success. We're truly becoming a partner with you. You have got to succeed for us to succeed, and vice versa. And best part is, 9 out of 10 people that do business with us do business with us again. Hey, now I'm Mitch, the Merchant Advance King, and Stone Funding has been doing this for a long time, guys. But there's a lot of people out there that are in the same market that aren't nearly as reputable as us. Let me tell you some of the things that you absolutely want to look out for that you never want to pay for a merchant advance. For example, if somebody asks you for an application fee, 100% of the time there's absolutely no need for this. The actual paperwork, as I said, is about 4 minutes long, and if they're charging you an application fee, somebody's putting that right directly in their pocket. You never ever want to do that. No reputable company is going to ask you for that. Another thing that you really want to look out for and that you never want to do is be forced to rent terminals as a condition of financing. That's just another way that they're trying to back in you and make money. You're never going to have that problem with Stone Funding, guys. When we talk about repayment terms, you know exactly what is going on, and we both have an understanding. We're not trying to force other products down your throat. Nobody that is in this business that has your best interest at heart is going to require you to do that, so make sure to avoid that as well. Now, guys, this is the biggest one as well. You should never have to sign a personal guarantee or put up personal collateral. This entire concept is an unsecured business loan. This is not debt. If they're asking you for a personal loan or personal collateral to be signed, guys, this is not a company that you want to be dealing with. Don't just run away to the phone and call Stone Funding Group. Go to stonefunding.com or give us a call here and ask. I'll talk to you personally, or I'll have one of my guys give you the exact breakdown of exactly what you qualify for, what we can give you, and you're going to know within 24 hours and have your money within 3 to 5 business days. Hey, Mitch the Cash Advance King, thanks so much for checking out our video, guys.